Hello, beautiful soul. It's time to face your fear. Not to run away, not to fight it, or even freezing, not knowing how to act on it. It's the time right now. We are first building a safety bubble, a safe container. And then it's up on you how deep you're allowing yourself to face what makes you scary and fearful. And then we dive into it together, and we also come out together. It's a safe container. And all the fear, each anxiety is welcome. If it is the fear of being alone, the fear of losing someone, the fear of not being good enough, or the fear of the fear. There are so many. Choose one today. And make it really, really comfortable. Take a deep inhale. And if you trust and feel safe, I invite you to close your eyes. Was the exhale. Inhale, feel the air entering your body. Exhale, relax your face. Inhale deeply into your belly, into your heart, where you really feel yourself right now. And exhale, relax your face, relax your body. With each breath, raise your awareness. Feel yourself in a deeper and more awakened way. Your breath is always there. It's your anchor. And we also charge your breath with a field of light. So with the next inhale, see like a color around you. It's a really bright, supportive color, which is yours. choose the first one which is coming into your field. And with each inhale, increase your light color. It's getting stronger and stronger with each inhale, more bright and bright. It even uplifts you. It feels so good to have this color here and now. And is your color building a specific form? It can be a triangle around you, like a pyramid, or an egg, or a circle, or anything else. What is really supporting you right now? See it, and there is always enough space for you to be fully in it. It can be even a tree, a really colorful, bright tree, and you're standing in it. Use your imagination. Everything is possible. With each inhale, you're still increasing this magical light color around you. It's fully present, and it's not only around you, it is also inside of you. Can you feel it? And how does it feel? Beautiful. Now, with the safety of your light color, it will support you. When we open now the door, it is time. You have your own safe container, your light and your color and your breath. You are fully supported. When you open the door, it's like you're knocking on a door, and you might even don't want to open this door, but you know it is from such a big importance to face it, to open it. And it's up on you how slow or quick you open this door, because you know behind this door there is your fear, the fear you want to face right now. Which one is it? Keep breathing in and out, in and out, and slowly open this door. Take your time. Always remember your light color while you are opening that door. Your feelings inside might change, and you get aware it's not just the door you are opening, it is actually inside of you. But always keep the image of the door. You can open it a bit more or close it if it's too intense. And the feeling in your body is connected with it. So where in your body are you feeling the anxiety, the fear? Does it feel heavy? Start to describe it. Does it feel really tight? Does it hurt? Or does it make you freeze inside? Keep breathing. Where in your body are you feeling it? Allow it. It's okay. You have your safety light. Inhale, exhale, relax and allow. How deep do you want to go right now? Really find the spot in your body where you feel it the most. The more you can go into details in describing it, into really understanding how it looks, how it feels, how it acts inside, the more you will understand it. Keep breathing in and out. And when you really have it located on a body part, I invite you to ask yourself, ask this body part where all the fear and anxiety is located right now. Ask it. Why are you here? Listen to the answers. What are you doing? Which message do you have for me? What can I learn with you? Ask all your questions and listen for the answers. And feel, did it change already? Is there a new question coming up? A deeper level, a layer behind the first one. Stay with it, feel keep breathing. You might just only want to feel. But if there's any question coming up, ask yourself this question and listen deeply for the answer. You're always supported with your light color. Beautiful. Allow it all to be here. And now it's the time to thank. Show your gratitude. Say thank you. Thank you, fear. Thank you, feeling. And everything what came with it, all the senses. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being my teacher and allowing me to handle you. And whatever you want to say, feel it, say it. Take another deep breath here, and are you feeling a change of your light color? Slowly come back into your body and really get aware. Did your light color change? Did any sensation change from the beginning to now? How deep was your journey? Take a few more really deep and long breaths with your new color, or even the old one, if it gets stronger. Inhale, feel it. Exhale, allow it. Take another deep and long inhale. Exhale, arrive in the here and the now. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes again. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today in this meditation. Not running away, not freezing, not fighting, really facing your fear. Wow. This is the way. This is the way how to do it. If you're new, you're always welcome to subscribe, and I hope to meditate with you again. I'm so happy that you are here. Namaste.